Hi, I'm Hemant Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where you'll find design tutorials, tips, career advice, interviews, courses, and so much more content around the vast field of design. I have a variety of experience in the field of professional design spanning close to 2 decades, including a few major subdomains of design or art, such as product UX design, content UX design, graphic design, branding, 3D modeling, art, animation, motion graphics, video production, game design, and so on. There's a lot coming up on all things design on this channel in the near future. Be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Make sure you comment below and introduce yourself. And do not forget to visit hemantsharma.com to know more about me and my works. I'll see you soon.